I am Dr. Mucheru. I am a family physician and diabetologist. I work at the Aga Khan Hospital, Mombasa. So in 2016, I was awarded the Merck Diabetes and Hypertension Award. This was after a competitive process involving many applicants. And of course, I was elated. I was extremely joyful because that is where my heart was. My heart was in chronic disease care, whose prevalence is on the rise in our country. The prevalence of diabetes in Kenya is estimated to be around 4 to 6%. However, that is a big underestimate given that there are many patients who are undiagnosed. The prevalence of hypertension is much higher, around 20 to 25%. So that means that 1 in every 4 to 5 Kenyans has hypertension. So when you compare that to the number of specialists in the country, is actually quite sad because we don't have that many diabetes and hypertension specialists to take care of these diabetes and hypertension patients. So the Merck Diabetes and Hypertension Award was actually a postgraduate diploma from the University of South Wales. So this is a 1-year postgraduate diploma that is delivered online, 100% online. And so it equipped me with a lot of knowledge. And this knowledge is what I apply now when I'm seeing my patients in the clinic. In fact, right now I'm also running a diabetes clinic at the hospital that I work. And the reason I was even trusted to begin this diabetes clinic is because of the knowledge that I acquired from the diploma. Because I'm able to discern some of the details that have to do with diabetes management in my patients. I find myself much more confident in dealing with them. Had I not done the diploma, I probably would not be as confident as I am now. So the Ministry of Health, through the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board, has actually recognized my diploma and has actually recognized me as a diabetes clinician with the board. And so now I'm known as a diabetes diabetologist within the country. When the prevalence is on the rise, we need more doctors who are skilled in dealing with these diseases. And so I would definitely ask my colleagues to apply. What I've done is that in all my WhatsApp groups, I've been able to send the posters, and I believe many people are interested in applying for this diploma. And that's the future of medicine. By winning the Merck Diabetes and Hypertension Award that was awarded to me through the Merck Foundation, I have seen myself develop as a doctor. I've seen myself align with my interest, which is non-communicable diseases, and particularly diabetes. I've seen myself increasingly become more knowledgeable and more skilled as I see these patients. We've been able to set up 2 diabetes clinics in my place of work, and patients are happy. And so mine really is to give a big thank you. Actually, no words can describe the appreciation that I have for Merck for doing that for me, but also doing that for Africa, for Asia, building capacity and ultimately helping the patients, and taking care of them. And so Merck Foundation, you are a big blessing to our continent and our country, Kenya.